The table shows the type of bank accounts that members in a survey said they had. One member is randomly selected. What is the probability that the member has a savings account given that he or she does not have a checking account? Write the probability as a percent and round to the nearest 0.1% as needed. Okay, so given. Anytime you see the word given in probability, that's extremely important, and I always start with that. So we're given that he or she does not have a savings account. That means the only people I care about are the people that do not have, a checking account. So I'm going to get rid of anybody that does have a checking account. I don't even want to look at them. They're just distracting me. I'm given for a fact that they don't have a checking account. So I'm only looking at the people that don't have a checking account. From there, I want to find the probability that the member has a savings account. So if I look over at my table, 8 people have a savings account. All right, and remember, probability is the favorable outcomes over the total outcomes. So it's what you want to happen over all the things that could happen. So if we add together our total, we would do 8 plus 16, and our total is 24. Now remember, I don't care about this at all because I'm given that she doesn't have a checking account. So I'm only looking at people that don't have checking accounts. So what I want is 8. The total is 24. And I want to write that as a percent. So on the last problem, I showed you how to use the NICE calculator. On this problem, oops, that's a little too big. On this problem, I'm going to show you how to use just a regular computer calculator. So I would do 8 divided by 24, and that gives me 0.33333 repeating. I want that as a percent, so I need to move the decimal 2 times. So that would be 33.3%. And just as a reminder, the nearest tenth means 1 decimal place.